Now I put the motion to the House. Now I put the motion to the House. It has been moved that the bill further to amend the certain laws relating to taxes and duties, the Finance Supplementary Bill 2021 as introduced in the National Assembly to take into consideration. All those in favor of the motion may say aye. All those against say no. I think ayes have it. Consecutive motion is adopted. Clause by clause is reading. The bill is now taken up clause by clause. Clause 2 amendment. There are also Senate recommendation on clause 2. There are 3 amendments in clause 2. First amendment standing in the name of Khwaja Asif Saab, Rana Tanveer Hussain, Mr. Ehsan Iqbal Chaudhary, engineer from the Sir, Rana Sanaullah, Shahid Khakan Abbasi, Aisha Ghosh Pasha, Maryam Aurangzeb, Mr. Mohsin Nawaz Ranja, Ms. Shaza Patma, Ms. Romina Khurshid, and Mr. Ali Parvez. Second amendment standing in the name of Mr. Mohsin Dawar, Mr. Junaid Akbar, and Mr. Sajid Turi. Third amendment standing in the name of Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Raja Parvez Ashraf, Sayyid Naveed Kamar, and Shazia Mali.